And so we say the title today is our daily discipline. And the verse today is I have a sound mind. It's from 2 Timothy 1:7. For God has not given me a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. God helped me to stay consistent. And yesterday we talked a lot about being consistent and making sure that we were to continue to be repetitive about the things that we were going to do. And renewing your mind is not a moment, it's a daily practice. Someone who practices mental discipline builds long-term strength. Someone who practices mental discipline builds long-term strength. And when I'm thinking about what is it that we need to do daily to make those disciplines work out for us. And so one of the things that we can continue to do as we build discipline and long-term strength is I had days where I got this right. I had days where I didn't. But I learned it is not about perfection. It is about consistency. Even time I choose truth, I'm strengthening something. Every time I capture a thought, I'm building discipline, and it adds up. In the mind, when we think about our minds consistency building neutral strength, we repeated the actions strengthening neutral pathways, making new thinking patterns easier over time. Now, this is how discipline becomes identity through repetition. And so, when I'm thinking today, and I'm thinking of all the things that I got to get done, all the things that have popped into my sphere of what's important, what's not important, and realizing that yes, I have to be consistent, but I also have to get things done, and I also have to make sure that those things aren't floundering. And one of the things that I get to rely on is the fact that every single morning we do this together. Every single morning we are able to make sure that we're doing something consistent that grounds us in a way that allows, I guess, for me to be able to get through the rest of the day. The rest of the day doesn't become as important, it becomes less important because I have to be available. I say every single day that you are an answer to prayer, and you have to be available for God. And so the things that we want to get done on a daily basis, it's important that we work on those and we get those done, and they're part of our consistency. But we also have to have the availability to be able to do it. And so there's things that you have to be grounded in, and there's things that maybe you're not so grounded in. No matter what, those things that we're not so grounded in, is okay, as long as we have our foundation of things that. So today, the short prayers help me stay consistent in renewing my mind. The next thing is, may your mind be strong, peaceful, and disciplined. I want you to commit to 4 or 5 minutes today, throughout the day, of creating, maybe it's another discipline that you do that reignites your spirit to finish out your day. Because of all the things that get bombarded at when we're able to be grounded. And I guess today should be titled more "Be Grounded" than it is to be disciplined. Because being grounded means that you have your discipline in place. Today seemed like it was all over the place a little bit, and I apologize for that. And I don't know why. But we will bring it back tomorrow. Let's jump into our